Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to turn off the orange dot on your iPhone. Let's get started. The orange dot appears when an app is using your microphone. This feature was added by Apple to protect your privacy, so you know when an app is listening. You cannot completely turn off the orange dot because it's a privacy indicator, but you can stop it from appearing by controlling which apps use your microphone. When you see the orange dot, swipe down from the top right corner to open your control center. At the top you will see the app name that is using the microphone. This helps you identify the app instantly. Now let's stop the orange dot from showing up again. Open your settings on phone, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Once you are in, tap on microphone. You will see a list of apps. Now turn off microphone access for apps you don't trust. Leave it on only for apps you really need, like calls or voice messages. Once an app can't use the microphone, the orange dot will not appear for that app. And that's it. Now you know how to stop the orange dot on your iPhone the right away. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.